spacious space you will be getting for your couches and sofas. Spacious kitchen area going on over there. Master bedroom, as you can see. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Housey. I am Sunidhi Verma and today we are at the project named Sharanya Swarovski by Sharanya Builders, as you can see, which is located in the off-white field, Hoskote Road, Kadugodi, Belathur Main Road, Bengaluru. As you can see, this project is spreaded across approximately 2 acres of land. If you see that, that is the actual sales area over here, and if you see, this is the main Belathur Road going over here, and here you can able to see the entrance as well and the neighborhood area as well, which is spreaded across 2 acres of land. And well, ladies and gentlemen, we will be talking a lot in detail about this project, but first let us discuss what is actually Housey is. So Housey is basically India's first real estate platform where home buyers are directly connected with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom price rate. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number will be shared with the different brokers, resulting in lot of calls. Also, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer, where you can book your dream house directly with developer through Housey. So now let's have a look at the sample flat tour. Now ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the project overview of this project named as Sharanya Swarovski by Sharanya Builders. If we talk about the land parcel, it is spread across 2 acres of land which is situated in off-white field, Hoskote Road, Kadugodi, Belathur Main Road, Bengaluru. And if we talk about the stories, it has ground floor, basement floor and 8 other floors. And if we talk about the variants of this particular project, it has 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK as well. And if we talk about the connectivity from this particular project, Belathur Main Road only 500 meters away, and if we talk about the metro station, Whitefield Metro Station only 2.3 kilometers away, and if we talk about the Park Square Mall only 4.3 kilometers away. If we talk about the amenity of this particular project, it has 20 plus luxurious amenities including mini cricket pitch, jogging track, swimming pool, gymnasium and many more. Now ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at the 3 BHK sample flat tour. Ladies and gentlemen, I am standing in front of the sample flat of 3 BHK of dimensions 1730 square feet. Let's have a look at it. So basically this is the entrance of 3 BHK apartment. As you can see, a very spacious space you will be getting for your couches and sofas as well. And if we talk about this area, a perfect space for your television and music system as well. And if you see the false ceiling work over here, it's a very nice false ceiling work and a wooden structure going on here. You can able to see a wooden structure and texture is going on over here. So ladies and gentlemen, if we talk about this space area, this will be your dining space area. Well, this is a 4 sitting dining area, but you can convert it into 6 sitting area as well. So ladies and gentlemen, let me take you to the balcony area, which is directly attached to the dining area as well. As you can see, a very spacious running balcony you will be getting over here with perfect neighborhood locality. As you can see, there is a lot of buildings and a perfect neighborhood area to be or to have a home. As you can see, this is another balcony area over here. Let me show you. So here also it's all connected to room balcony section. So it's this big balcony area is connected to first room, and as you can see, this another balcony area going on there. So let me take you to the kitchen area. So here over there you will be having a much spacious kitchen area going on over there. You can have your refrigerator over here. A perfect big spacious cabinet is going on over on the kitchen. You will be having perfect space for your gas stoves and chimney as well, and you will be getting a window ventilation of the kitchen, and you will be getting washing area. And if we talk about this space which is attached to the kitchen is your utility area. You can have your washing machine. You will be given a wardrobe section over here. You can have your wardrobe section. You can have your refrigerators and geysers as well. A perfect space which is directly connected to the kitchen area. Also, ladies and gentlemen, on this section you will be having your all the cabinets over here. Here you will be having a perfect section of your home decor as well. So ladies and gentlemen, let me take you to the first room of this 3 BHK apartment. As you can see, we are entering the first room of this 3 BHK apartment. Very spacious with all the POP going on over the head, and you can see a very spacious area you will be getting for your bed. And if you see here, you will be getting a perfect big wardrobe storage over here. And if we talk about the space, you can have your tea tables and couches as well over here. And here you will be getting a window ventilation over here as well. So now let me show you common washing area as well. So here you can see a very spacious common washing area you will be getting, which is directly attached to the first room as well. As you can see, a very finely designed wall to wall vitrified tiles. Now let me take you to the second room of this 3 BHK. So as you can see, we are entering to the second room of this 3 BHK. As you can see, a very spacious bedroom you will be getting over here. And here you will be getting a spacious area for your dressing table and workstation as well. If you talk about this cupboard area, very spacious cupboard area you will be getting, and a perfect space for your bed as well. And if we talk about the washing area, which is directly attached with this room, as you can see, a perfect spacious washing area you will be getting with wall to wall vitrified tiles. Now let me show you the balcony, running balcony area over here, which is directly connected to the second bedroom. As you can see, a perfect view you will be getting over here with lands of lands across here. You can have a perfect view with the perfect neighborhood over here one can have at their apartment. So ladies and gentlemen, let me take you to the master bedroom of this 3 BHK apartment. But before that, let us discuss what actually Housey does for us. So Housey gives you sample flat location tour. Also in Housey, you will be getting actual location site tour as well. And also Housey will be giving you every pros and cons about the project, and also Housey will give you all the inclusive pricing details with including EMI and down payments. And also Housey gives you 360-degree virtual project tour as well. And ladies and gentlemen, if after all of this, if you like the project, you can book your free site visit just in a 3 simple clicks. And you just have to go on the link which is mentioned on the description box below. Let's have a look at the master bedroom. As you can see, we are entering in the 3 BHK master bedroom. As you can see over here, you will be having your workstation and a king size bedding system going on over here. You can have your king size bed over here, and if you see, the false ceiling is very much giving you the aesthetic vibe. And if we talk about the cupboard as well, and you will be having a very spacious cupboard area going on over here, and also you will be getting attached washroom area as well to this 3 BHK. As you can see, this is the washing area of this master bedroom, wall to wall vitrified tiles with all the bathroom ware finishing you will be having. You can customize it as per your need. So guys, I am right now at the balcony area of this master bedroom, which is directly connected with living area as well and another bedroom area as well. As you can see, you will have perfect walking balcony over here, a perfect view, neighborhood view also you will be getting. So ladies and gentlemen, this was the 3 BHK house tour of Swarovski Sharanya by Sharanya Group. So if you like the project, you can book your free site visit. You just have to go to housey.com and register yourself. And if you wanted to book the e-brochure, you just have to go on the link which is mentioned on the description box below. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to Housey, and we'll be back with another sample flat tour. Till then, take care.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.